Straight to the heart of Champagne with Pascal Doquet. This is his Arpège Blanc de Blanc's Brut Nature Cuvée. Pascal Doquet, based in Vertus village in Côte Blanc, where chalky soils and bedrock emerge, with a top layer of Silex small clay. This Arpège Champagne is a premier Cru Brut nature, organic since 2000. Doquet works biodynamically on 9 hectares across villages, making only Premier and Grand Cru. The Arpège cuvée is 100% Chardonnay. Now for the recipe, pay attention. Spontaneous fermentation, half in steel, half in barrels, native yeasts, full malolactic fermentation, then blended with 33 to 35% of vintage champagne and up to 60% from previous vintages. Of what they call the perpetual cuvée. Previous vintages blended, aged 3 years in bottle, then unfiltered. A pure champagne, but how does it taste? After all these details, you might ask, what's the aroma? What's the flavor? It's a pure mineral champagne with floral notes from the soil, so the minerality is very prominent. There's a pastry-like quality, creme brulee notes, making it creamy with fine, elegant bubbles. Not harsh at all, with hints of apple skin, pear and lemon zest. It's a very classic champagne, well crafted. I love it. It's tense yet refined, a true bourgeois bubbly. And now I'll leave you with Arpège de Doquet. Ciao, ciao, cheers.